Tomorrow morning, Chandrababu Naidu picks up a shovel in Visakhapatnam. What goes into the ground with it is $15 billion and a Google data center covering 600 acres of coastal Andhra Pradesh. That is one of the largest foreign direct investments in Indian history. And it is happening not in Mumbai, neither is it happening in Bengaluru, but in Vizag. Chief Minister Naidu has called this the speed of doing business. Google, it appears, agreed. Andhra Pradesh calls this a historic milestone. The skeptics call it a $1 trillion dream. The numbers, well, do not particularly care what either side thinks. $15 billion, 600 acres across Tharluvada, Adavi Varam and Rambili, a 1 gigawatt facility that would rank among the largest data center deployments in Asia. The Viksit Bharat 2047 vision has always needed a demonstration project. Vizag is now making its case, with land acquired, sites named and a groundbreaking confirmed for tomorrow. Data centers need connectivity. Visakhapatnam has it, or, well, will have it. The city is the confirmed landing station for an upcoming subsea cable system, providing direct international digital links without intermediate routing. The coastal position is not incidental, it is actually the reason. The state government has committed to powering the facility on clean energy. Whether that supply scales as fast as the ambition is, the question the next 2 years will answer. For anyone in their 20s watching this, the job market in coastal Andhra Pradesh just changed considerably. The roles this creates are in AI cloud operations, cybersecurity, and data science at multi-gigawatt scale. Adani Connex, well, and Airtel Nextra are already building in the state. Andhra Pradesh's declared target is 6.5 gigawatts of data center capacity across the state, with land already acquired and commitments already signed. Thousands of roles, high-stakes careers, and a government that has tied its economic credibility to making it work. Google does not build at this scale in isolation. Cooling technology companies, server manufacturers, and networking firms will follow. That is, of course, how clusters form. Proximity to the anchor tenant matters more than any policy document. Bhogapuram International Airport is under construction. The subsea cable landing station is confirmed. The conditions for a technology cluster are being assembled, not just promised. Startups, research centers, and semiconductor firms are already reading the geography. So when the anchor tenant is Google, that reading does not take too long. And here, of course, is the front page take. $15 billion is a large number. The more telling figure is 600 acres. Land already surveyed, committed, and named across 3 villages in coastal Andhra Pradesh. The conversation around Vizag has moved past the announcement. The groundbreaking is tomorrow. The subsea cable is confirmed. The airport is rising. What Andhra Pradesh is attempting is a reorientation, making Visakhapatnam the point through which Asia's data travels, is processed, and stored. That ambition has always been present. What is different tomorrow morning is that Google is holding the other end of that very shovel. Please do let us know about your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.